What is up, crypto gang? Welcome back to another episode of Hack Crypto, where we hack our cryptocurrency and blockchain education. If you guys are brand new here, we do a giveaway at the beginning of every single episode. Today's winner is Pyres. Thanks so much for commenting literally the entire roadmap of the project that I talked about on the previous video. That was awesome. Just sent you some crypto. On this episode, I'm going to be going over the partnership collaboration with Joel and Travis of Blockchain Heroes and my project Grow Your Base that I am a co-founder of, that you guys are also familiar with. So on this episode, I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of their website, Blockchain Heroes, where you can sign up to get more information about their launch coming in August. And also I wanted to show you guys a sneak peek of the Grow Your Base exclusive NFT that's been developed by Travis and Joel of Bad Crypto and Blockchain Heroes. So if you guys have not heard of Bad Crypto, they are a well-known podcast in the space, and they just recently rolled out their new NFT podcast. It's really exciting. Having been obsessed with NFTs for a couple of years now, I'm really excited to have been tuning into that and also have the chance to collaborate with these guys. Cool to see that they've worked together with the Wax Foundation to develop this Blockchain Heroes trading card game. So we partnered with them to develop a really cool little NFT, and I wanted to dive onto their website to show you guys what the Blockchain Heroes pre-launch website actually looks like. After I dive onto the website, I wanted to show you guys the exclusive look at the piggy bank NFT with Blockchain Heroes, the card based on Wax that we are going to be distributing to users exclusively on Grow Your Base. The link will be in the description below that everybody can go on there and earn that asset. So definitely stick around to the end of this video so you guys can get a chance to see the sneak peek of the piggy bank NFT. And let's dive onto their website right now to check out the storyline as well as the overview of the Blockchain Heroes project. You can see they're scheduled for launch on August 4th. Now, a really exciting thing here is having partnered with Blockchain Heroes, with Joel and Travis over there at Bad Crypto, with the Grow Your Base platform, we are going to be rolling out the exclusive card that we have designed with them that has the piggy bank logo on there for Grow Your Base. I'm really excited to announce this partnership, mainly because Joel and Travis have been in the space for a long time. Actually met them at Blockchain Week in Miami last year, I believe. And then also we bumped into each other at NFT NYC when I was speaking on stage. So really great guys in the industry in NFTs, moving the ball forward. And I love the idea that they're working with Wax. Now, if you are brand new to Wax in general, it is a new network that is really focusing on collectibles. They're doing an incredible job. They've partnered with like Topps and some of these really incredible brands. Like, for example, you have the Garbage Pail Kids that just rolled out recently and sold out in a heartbeat. We actually grabbed, I think, over 100 packs from that release. So it was a really exciting drop, in Wax Foundation is helping and is partnered directly with Blockchain Heroes, Joel and Travis, to get this project off the ground and really drive adoption. So what we wanted to do is, in the link below, you can see everything on Grow Your Base, and you can see that it is an opportunity to sign up for a Wax wallet. So you go through the process of simply signing up for Wax, creating a wallet, and then you can get access to the exclusive NFT that we have developed with Blockchain Heroes that they've designed exclusively for the platform to give you guys access. So I wanted to go through their website real quick so you guys get a chance to see that it is a direct partnership with Wax. So long ago, the land was free and all was decentralized, but the power-mongering forces of darkness, the centralizers, lulled the population under their control. The people suffered under their evil regime for eons. Then the enigmatic figure known as the Genesis discovered a powerful new technology, blockchain, and unleashed it upon the world with the hope that freedom would once again settle upon the land. So I love the storyline that Joel and Travis are going here with Blockchain Heroes. I love the design. I love the idea of all of the heroes in the industry that have been advocates for blockchain from the start. You can see here we have Vitalik, we have Charlie Shrem, we have Draper. Excited to be working with these guys. Definitely check out in the link below. And I wanted to show you guys an exclusive look at
the asset itself.
That is it for the overview of the Blockchain Heroes project that's partnered with the Wax Foundation. Really bullish on Wax and Blockchain Heroes, and also Joel and Travis's podcast. But without further ado, this is the NFT right here, either right here or right here behind me. And you can see that it is the piggy bank with the GYB tokens in the little belly there. And it has the Blockchain Heroes logo. This was designed by them, and we're really excited to have partnered with them directly on helping drive awareness for Wax, because I really believe that collectibles are going to be ground zero for a lot of adoption here, because it visualizes the actual on-chain transactions beautifully and in a really easy to understand way. We saw that with CryptoKitties, as everybody knows. On Ethereum, it clogged the entire network. So I think that something like Wax that is really, really focused on the collectible space and making it simple and easy, just like you can see here with the Blockchain Heroes NFT, and a lot of the simplistic ways of sending transactions on Wax. Definitely check out Blockchain Heroes with the link in the description. On the Grow Your Base campaign, there are a lot of really great assignments. You can learn more about the project, not only from this video, but you can learn more about it from their website, as well as a tutorial video on how to set up a Wax wallet. I'm going to do a little bit more on Wax in the future on the channel, and also check out the Grow Your Base YouTube channel, because there's a lot of really good partnerships and information going on there. But I wanted to show this to my broader audience so that you guys could get a chance to check out not only Bad Crypto, but the new NFT podcast and Blockchain Heroes, as well as the Grow Your Base campaign, because there's a lot of value all crammed into this one collaboration. Being so excited about all of this collaboration, of course, I had to keep my mustache and keep the ball rolling on that front. But that is it for this episode. Slap the like button. It helps the channel, helps the YouTube algorithm. Give me a pat on the back. So definitely smash the like button. Don't forget to be subscribed, like, and comment on the video for a chance to win on the next one. And I will see you guys on the next episode of Hack Crypto.